First, open your browser and go to the official Articulate website. Just search for Download Articulate 360. Create your account using your email ID. If you already have an account, simply log in. Once you're logged in, download the Articulate 360 desktop app. This app is your main hub to install Storyline and other tools. Open the downloaded file and double-click on it to install the Articulate 360 app. In search bar, type Articulate and open it. Then pop up Open and click on Start Over. And then in Browser, click on Open Articulate 360 and click on Install. Once done, click on Open. Now, start creating interactive e-learning courses like a pro. If you like the video, hit like button and subscribe channel for more videos like this.